Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this AI that plays Messenger Soccer game. So first thing first, I tried to create a ball in GIMP, but as I've come to realize, it wasn't the right way to go. So I just downloaded some from the internet later. Because as you can see, I really don't have any idea what I'm doing here. It literally took me more time than write the code, I would say, to create just a circle. As you can see, I'm not even able to create a circle. It's not that easy, right? Okay, so I bailed on it and downloaded just some ball from the internet. Then I did some coding and I got the game. Haha, funny effect. So as you could see, it wasn't me playing. It was me playing the game. It wasn't the AI. So we have to change this. So I'll quickly adjust everything for AI or machine learning, I should say. So as you may know, it's pretty hard to find the right values, like rewards and the observations you give the neural network. So it took me some time to figure out what is gonna be good. Yeah, I also changed the whole playing system. In this attempt I will have a dot moving by the keyboard, because it was easier to set up than if I had to do it with my mouse. So there will be just a dot and it will be controlled by your keyboard, like WASD plus the spacebar to punch the ball. Yeah, here you can see that I'm creating the dot, and I will be copying most of the code to this script. I'm not actually showing much of programming here, but if you would be interested, I can make a tutorial on all this, how it works, how to set up your own machine learning like this. I can even share this code with you. Just let me know down in the comments. As you can see, I'm giving it as observations the position of the ball, because I wanted it to know that it was too low, so it will exceed the boundaries and it will fail. And then, more importantly, the direction and the distance actually from the ball, like the distance and direction from dot to the ball, so it knows which direction it should move, right? And now I'm setting up the whole punch system. As So I used the trigger, so when the dot was in the trigger, oh actually the dot was the trigger, so when the ball was in the trigger dot, then you could punch it, otherwise you cannot, obviously. Yeah, I set everything up in Unity. I had to tell it which key is gonna be which action and what values it will be getting and stuff. Okay, now you can see me playing the game, actually with the dot, but it's still me, it's still not the AI. But we're getting there very soon. Yeah. Here I show how it works. So you just move around with WASD and punch it with space as a sense.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I built the game and I started to training the neural network. Okay, I'm just moving some files. Now I will run it. So this is how it looks like when it's being trained. It's super small and super fast. It's that small because it's more performant when it's small, actually, like smaller resolution. And it's, I think, 100 times faster than in original, because you really don't want to wait there. Just, yeah, I'm waiting for my neural network to train. That would take hours. No, it's just a few minutes and you're good to go. So you can watch it. You can't really even see how it's moving because it's just jumping around because of the slow frame rate and really big speed. You can see it improving over the time. You can see the score is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so I'll speed it up a bit, so we don't wait here till it trains. Yeah, now you can see it has exceeded the score of 40 even, so it's really improving. Oh, now even 70, wow. And here we go. Now this is the AI playing the game. As you can see, it's a bit like laggy, or how to say it. But it's not, it's just the computer is moving the mouse, not a human, so it looks pretty weird. But still, he can play it pretty well, I would say. I couldn't get this score when I was playing it. And obviously it's not a problem for it. Oh, this one was close. and it failed. So this was all for today's video. As I mentioned, if you're interested in how I did this, just let me know in the comments and I will do a tutorial explaining how all of this works and how can you make your own neural network like this. So see you next time.